What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to do a video on JASMY, JASMY. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right or not, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it. So first and foremost, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So do not blindly follow anything I say or do. This coin is got a hell of a lot of upside potential to it. So this video is going to be specifically about the bullish side of it. I'm not going to get into any kind of bearish side. I will post a bearish video if we do start looking like we're heading in that direction. But keep in mind, this is just my opinion as of today, April 20th. At any given moment, price action can change and my bias can change. So don't take this like it's the Holy Grail and that it's set in stone and it can't change. So anybody that's trading or is been in the crypto markets knows that there are no guarantees in anything. So take this video as such. Follow me on Twitter and I give more regular updates on Twitter there if I do see something funny happening in this chart. But for right now, let's hop into the chart itself. And I am going to start off first and foremost on a higher time frame. This is the entire history of the chart. I am looking at this on a macro level as an ABC down to this bottom down here, about 1 cent. And then I'm viewing this entire structure here as a one wave, and this entire structure here as a potential two wave. This would be basically an ABC, and then we are beginning our impulsive move up for our three wave, which I have got at about 19 to 20 cents, and then our four wave correction, and then our final fifth wave up to about 34 cents. So our next target on a macro view is about 700% from where we are right now at 0.24 cents. And our final target is about 1300% at about 35 cents from where we are currently. Let's hop into the micro, so I can give kind of a detailed analysis of what I think is going to happen over the next week or so. So as I had mentioned before, I believe we have got a one wave in, which is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an extended fifth wave is what this looks like to me. An ABC, which was a fairly deep two-wave correction. And then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to put on our one. And then we should have a ABC correction. That ABC correction could go anywhere from 0.185 all the way up to 0.21. So this is the area where I will start to average in at. I basically average in once it starts to get close to my buy zone. And if it dips into here and this impulsive wave here is looking, or this wave here, this B wave is looking corrective, then I potentially will sell the B in order to rebuy back down in the C. It just really depends on what Bitcoin's doing at the time and what the crypto market in general looks like. If I feel like removing some risk, I will do that. If I am confident that the crypto market is still looking like it's going to go upwards, then I'll just hold, and if it comes back down into my buy zone again, I will continue to buy until that goes against me and my stops hit. So I anticipate a correction down anywhere from 0.185 up to 0.21-ish. Once we get that corrective structure there, we should be up and ready for our next three wave, which that target would be about 4.042, so about 4.5 cents or so. And then we'll have our four wave correction down to probably around 3 cents. And then we will have our final fifth wave up to around 5 cents. This is assuming, I don't know what wave will extend. This is assuming that we don't have any kind of extension anywhere, or that this one wave was an extension, and 3 and 5 will hit fib levels precisely. So I will keep this chart updated as we progress, and my price targets could change as we move forward. But basically, this is what I'm seeing over the next week or so. We should have this correction down here for this 2 wave. And then, we should bounce up for a 3, a 4, and a 5. And I would imagine this should all happen. For those of you guys who know me, I don't trade on time, but this should happen within the next 2 to 3 weeks, I would imagine. And then the macro picture, which again is, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is, I don't know, maybe 4 to 6 months out, just depending on how quickly and how strong Bitcoin or how weak Bitcoin in the crypto market starts to become. So again, this is just my bullish analysis. If this thing starts to go against us and I see a bearish chart presenting itself, then I will revise accordingly and share at that time. See y'all later.